everyone, welcome back to my channel Foodie Mom. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, in today's video I'm preparing garlic naan, or you can call it garlic kulcha. So the recipe is very simple. I've taken very simple and basic ingredients for that. So I really hope that you like this recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. Over here I've taken 1 teaspoon of oil, any cooking oil you can take, 2 tablespoons of butter, half teaspoon of sugar, some salt to taste, about 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, about handful of coriander as per your liking how much you want to put, 2 garlic pods very thinly and finely chopped, about 1/3 cup of curd, beaten curd, and this is of room temperature, 1 cup of maida, that is wheat flour. You can use normal flour also if you want to. Now let's start with our recipe. Putting in 1 cup of flour in the mixing pot, also curd, sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and now we'll start to mix everything. You can use spoon also, but I'm more comfortable with hands for kneading the dough, and if required you can put some water also. Putting in little bit of oil, just about half teaspoon, so that our dough is soft, and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. So such kind of dough will be made once you have kneaded it well. So I would suggest to punch it nicely when you are leaving it. Now dropping in the oil, the leftover oil, which we will grease it nicely. Now covering it nicely with a kitchen cloth, and we'll keep it aside for about 2 hours. You can also use it after an hour or so, but I'll keep it warm and nice for about 2 hours. So it's 1 hour 30 minutes now. So let's prepare the garnishing for our garlic naan. So here is the garlic, onto which I am putting in the melted butter, also the coriander leaves, and now mixing everything well, and we'll keep it aside for 30 minutes. By the time our dough will also be ready by then. So now it's been 2 hours, so let's remove the kitchen towel, and now what I'll do is I'll pour in half of the quantity of garlic, coriander and butter into the dough, and now we'll knead it again by pressing it inside so that flavors can just merge into the flour, into our dough, and we'll punch it nicely, covering it again for another 15 minutes. So now our dough is ready. So we'll take a small ball like this. We'll roll it in a small ball. We'll put some flour on the place where we'll be rolling it. Now try making it bit cylindrical so that our naan can get a nice shape like this, and then start rolling. Now what we'll do is we'll take the batter that we made of garlic, coriander and butter, and we'll rub them on the naan like so. Batter on it, we'll again roll it so that everything can just go inside it, and press it little by your hand like this. And now on the opposite side we'll apply water. Generous amount of water will applying the water, good amount of water you have to apply. And now I'll be putting it on a griddle, that is tawa. So here is my tawa, it is heated well, and now I am putting my naan onto it. And we'll cook it on low flame till we see bubbles forming on the naan. Now As you can see, bubbles are forming on it, and we'll cook it on low flame. When you see so many bubbles on it and it has been nearly 2 minutes, so this is the correct time. Now we'll turn the griddle onto the flame side so that we can cook it from the other side as well. Let's turn the side like so. So I have turned the side of the griddle. Now I am applying some butter, and here we go, our naan is ready. This is how beautiful it is looking, and see the back side, it is nicely cooked and it is golden brown. So let's serve it. So friends, over here is my naan and I'm going to enjoy it with the butter chicken, and recipe for the same is available on my channel, and I really hope that you like this recipe of mine. It is very easy and very tasty recipe, both butter chicken as well as this garlic naan. So I'll see you next time with another video of mine. Till then, take care. Bye.